Hi you all, I am Jelena, a product review expert and bargain hunter. Today I'm going to review a very special product you are looking for. I have analyzed all the features, specifications and performance of the product and now going to review the product in detail. After watching my review, you can decide whether you should choose the product or not. Let's go and watch the review with a presentation. Watching that review. As I said at the beginning of the video, I'm a bargain hunter and I have found a big discount for you. Please have a look at the description below and find your special big discount link today.